The teacher asked, "What is science?" Bob answers, "Science is our lesson for today." Last night, I walked into a bar. It still hurts. I hate lying people. They're always in my way to the ocean. I have finally discovered what's wrong with my brain. On the left side, there's nothing right, and on the right side, there's nothing left. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. I just can't put it down. If I had $5 in one pocket and $5 in the other, what do I have? Someone else's pants. Make a man a fire, and he'll be warm for a night. Set a man on fire, and he'll be warm until he dies. Max wondered why the ball was slowly growing larger. And then it hit him. My mother always told me, if you can't say anything nice, don't say anything at all. And some people wonder why I'm so quiet around them. My old aunts would come and tease me at weddings. Do you think you'll be the next? But we settled this quickly. Once, I started doing the same to them at funerals. Dad, the art teacher doesn't like what I'm making. Yes, my son. What is it what you are making? Dad, mistakes. Waitress, do you have any questions about the menu? Me. Yeah, what kind of font is this?
Ouch!
What did the 0 say to the 8? Hey, nice belt. What's the capital of Massachusetts? It's an M. When it's the most likely time that a stray dog will walk into your house? Of course, when the door is open. When someone tells you to expect the unexpected, just slap them and ask if they expected it. Where do you find a dog with no legs? Wherever you left it. Why should you always take 2 pairs of trousers when you play golf? In case you get a hole in one. Why don't penguins ever get married? They always get cold feet. A new study has proven that people who have more birthdays live longer. Oh, Father, I've got terrible news. My husband passed away last night. The priest says, oh, that's terrible. Tell me, did he have any last request? She says, that he did, Father. The priest asks, what did he say? What did he ask? She says, he said, please put down that damn gun. A guy goes to the doctor. He says, Doc, every time I drink coffee, I feel a sharp pain in my right eye. The doctor asks, did you take out the spoon? Animal testing is pointless. I mean, we already know they are animals. The customer says, "Watch out! Your thumb is in my soup." The waiter, "Don't worry, sir, it's not that hot."
Oh, yeah.
Dear Algebra, please stop asking us to find your ex. She's not coming back. Do zombies eat popcorn with their fingers? No, they eat the fingers separately. How do you make a dog go meow? Take it out of the freezer and run it through a bandsaw. Meow, meow. I always thought air was free until I bought a bag of chips.
Let me tell you some funny jokes. A cowboy rides into town on Friday, stays 3 days and leaves on Friday. How does he do it? The horse's name is Friday. A good book is like a good puppy. Both are easy to pick up but hard to put down. A group of people were yelling at me in the movie theater. It got so loud I had to take my phone call outside. A helicopter crashed on a graveyard. Report says over 500 dead. A man goes to the doctor, and says I broke my arm in 3 places. And the doctor says, well then don't go to those places anymore. A study of economics usually reveals that the best time to buy anything was last year. Animal testing is pointless. We already know they're animals. Doc, I've got a problem. Every morning at 8 sharp I poop. Doc, how is that a problem? Me, I wake up at 9. Doctor, people keep telling me I'm ugly. Lay on the couch face down. Freak people out in public restrooms by saying come in when they knock on the stall door. How does a leopard change its spots? When it gets tired of one spot it just moves to another. I got accepted into Harvard's medical program. I just have to die first and give them my body. I hate lying people, they're always in my way to the ocean. I've been eating eggs thinking they came from an eggplant. I'm going to be sick, now that I know where they really come from. John regrets getting a brain transplant. I guess he changed his mind. Most of us were taught to never get in cars with strangers, so taxicabs make absolutely no sense. My favorite element is helium. I can't speak highly enough of it. My favorite yoga pose is the upward facing couch potato. My neighbor came over and knocked on my door at 3 a.m. the other night. 3 in the morning, can you believe it? He was lucky I was still up playing my drums. Not sure if I actually like movies or just like looking at something while I eat popcorn. Nothing freaks me out like when I'm ordering from a Chinese restaurant and I ask what kind of meat is that? And they answer yes. Nothing says you are ugly like Facebook asking, are you sure you want to make this your profile picture? Sorry to inform you that you have a brain problem. Your brain is in 2 parts. Left and right. The left part has nothing right in it, and the right has nothing left in it. Tall people don't need to be inspirational. Everyone already looks up to them. This deodorant says, avoid contact with eyes. Too late. I've already seen it. Two ladies fighting for a seat in a bus. Bus conductor, the older one should sit here. Both looked at each other and the seat remained empty. What do dogs have that no other animal has? Puppy dogs. What do you call a farmer who is really good at his job? A man who is outstanding in his field. What do you take before every meal? A seat. What does a bird and a fridge have in common? They can both fly except the fridge. What is green, red and goes 90 miles per hour? A frog in a blender. What's invisible and smells like bananas? Monkey farts. What's the difference between a musician and a bag of rice? The bag of rice can feed a family of 4. When is the most likely time that a stray dog will walk into your house? When the door is open. Where do sick boats go? To the dock. Where do you find a dog with no legs? Right where you left it. Why can't the T-Rex clap its hands? Because it's dead. Why did the creepy hipster get arrested? Because he was following people before Instagram. Why did the shark spit out the clown? Because he tasted funny. Why do cows wear bells? Because their horns don't work. Why does a dog wag its tail? No one else will do it for them.
Do you want to hear some funny jokes? Teacher asks, what is science? Student, me ma'am. Teacher, okay Bob, what is science? Student, science is our lesson for today. A new study has proven that people who have more birthdays live longer. Dear algebra, please stop asking us to find your ex. She is not coming back. Do you want to hear the funniest joke in the world? Me too. I like work. It fascinates me. I sit and look at it for hours. I lost 40 pounds in 4 months. I didn't realize the British stock market was so volatile. I wondered why the baseball was getting bigger. Then it hit me. I'm currently boycotting any company that sells items I can't afford. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. I just can't put it down. If at first you don't succeed, then skydiving is not for you. If I had a dozen muffins and Carlos took 13 away from me, what do I have now? A math problem. In what town lives the mathematician who can only multiply by 2? Dublin. Last night I walked into a bar, it still hurts. Teacher, what is science? Student, me ma'am. Teacher, okay Bob, what is science? Student, science is our lesson for today. Teacher, in the exam you will be allowed 30 minutes for each question. Pupil, how long for the answer, sir? Teacher, this note from your father looks like your handwriting? Pupil, well yes, he borrowed my pen. Teacher, why can't you ever answer any of my questions? Pupil, well if I could, there wouldn't be much point in me being here. The letter R is just the letter P showing off some leg. The personal trainer at the gym advised me to try some resistance training. So far it's going really well. I've resisted going to the gym for 6 days now. There are 10 types of people in the world. Those that can count and those that can't. What did the DNA say to the other DNA? Do these jeans make me look fat? What did the strawberry say on December 25th? Merry Christmas. What do an elephant and an apricot have in common? They're both gray. Well, except for the apricot. Which is faster, hot or cold? Hot is faster. Anyone can catch a cold. Whoever said the camera adds 10 pounds should stop eating cameras. Why are you late? Student, because of the sign on the road. Teacher, what type of sign? Student, the sign that says, school ahead, go slow. Why did the bowling pins stop working? They went on strike. Why did the golfer wear 2 pants? He got a hole in one. What planet smells the worst? Poopiter. A man goes to the doctor and says, I broke my arm in 3 places. And the doctor says, well then don't go to those places anymore. Freak people out in public restrooms by saying come in when they knock on the stall door. My neighbor came over and knocked on my door at 3 a.m. the other night. 3 in the morning, can you believe it? He was lucky I was still up playing my drums. What do you call a witch that goes to the beach? Sandwich.